Well, tomorrow we say goodbye to the small gentleman janitor here. A guy from Northwest Connecticut's coming down to buy it. It'll heat his, he's got about an 1,800 square foot house up there. A pretty darn good boiler. One of the neatest looking boilers that there is, in my opinion anyway. Got an EFM S15 Stoker in it. Ooh, that was thunder. Odd. It's March 15th. Shouldn't be having thunderstorms. So this is it. It's all ready to go. It's going with this pot auger and pipe and a 4-foot bin auger. Oh, there's the bin auger. There, it's in there. Yep, I knew it was there somewhere. And a coupler. And we're also going to give them an old S400A timer for free and the old Honeywell triple aquastat for free. And hopefully it'll be as good for him as it was for me. The end.